Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 Cadillac SRX, stock number 17K128A. There's a sharp chrome surround on the grille. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is a chrome rim that is wrapped in a Michelin tire. And inside, there is a power sunroof, and you have a dark gray leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the back row, making this a 5-passenger Cadillac. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual exhaust here. You do have a backup camera that will display in the rear view mirror. And then looking inside the trunk, as you can see, it is very clean. That second row seating does fold down. You've got a cargo cover here, and there is also a power liftgate, so it's as easy as the push of one button to get that trunk open and closed. And the reason that I'm showing you this SRX today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. You have buttons for memory seating and carpeted floor mats. And stepping inside, there is a push button start. I will start the engine. All right, on the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. Coming over to the center here, you can see you have climate display. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls and buttons for heated front row seating. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 3-liter V6 engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 23 miles per gallon. And then looking at the rear view mirror here, this is equipped with OnStart, and you've also got HomeLink garage door opener buttons. If you'd like to get more information on this Cadillac or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.